The 2026 Isuzu Trooper is back, and it's ready to reclaim its place as a rugged, no-nonsense off-road SUV built for adventure. After years of absence, Isuzu has revived the Trooper nameplate, blending modern technology, classic durability, and serious off-road capability into a package that stays true to its roots. This isn't some luxury crossover pretending to be an SUV. This is a machine built to take on the toughest terrains while still being practical enough for everyday driving. Under the hood, the 2026 Trooper is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 280 horsepower and a massive 480 lb-ft of torque. For those who prefer gas power, there's also an optional 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4, delivering 320 horsepower while keeping efficiency in check. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and for purists, Isuzu is even offering a 6-speed manual option, something almost unheard of in today's SUV market. Power is sent to all four wheels through a full-time 4WD system, with locking differentials, a low-range transfer case, and an advanced terrain management system to ensure the Trooper can handle anything from deep mud to rocky trails. The design is exactly what you'd expect from a modern Trooper, boxy, muscular, and purpose-built. With its short overhangs, aggressive fender flares, and high ground clearance, this thing is built for serious off-road action. The front grille is bold and upright, featuring LED headlights and an integrated skid plate, while the rear keeps things simple with a swing-out tailgate and a full-size spare mounted on the back. A steel-reinforced roof rack adds to its utility, making it perfect for carrying everything from camping gear to kayaks. Inside, the Trooper is functional yet refined. Isuzu has kept the tough, easy-to-clean materials, but it doesn't feel outdated or cheap. The 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an off-road navigation system that works even when you're deep in the wilderness with no signal. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing real-time off-road telemetry, while the weather-resistant leather seats offer heating and ventilation for those long treks in extreme conditions. The rear seats fold completely flat, giving you plenty of cargo space, and there's even a built-in power inverter for charging your gear on the go. When it comes to driving, the 2026 Trooper is as comfortable on the road as it is off it. The new adaptive suspension system adjusts based on terrain, soaking up rough trails without making city driving feel like a chore. Steering is precise, and while it's not as sporty as some crossovers, that's not what the Trooper is about. This is a true body-on-frame EUV designed to be reliable, durable, and capable of lasting decades. Safety is a priority too, with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a 360-degree camera system to help with tight trails or tricky parking spots. There's even an optional night vision system for those who love tackling off-road challenges after dark. Starting at around $45,000, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is a rare breed in today's market, a proper, no-compromise off-road SUV that doesn't try to be something it's not. Whether you're an overlanding enthusiast, a weekend warrior, or just someone who wants a tough, go-anywhere vehicle with legendary Isuzu reliability, this SUV delivers. What do you think? Is the new Trooper a worthy successor to its legendary name, or do you think it needs something more? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car wisdom, where adventure meets knowledge.